Simply pour this over orange peels to create an effective insect-repelling solution. Take one orange and peel it thoroughly. The peel contains essential oils with a fresh citrus scent. Place the peels in a tall jar. Next, prepare alcohol, which disinfects, helps remove bacteria, and effectively cuts grease. Measure 5 fl Oz and pour it over the peels in the jar. The next ingredient is vinegar. It has antibacterial properties and neutralizes odors, creating an environment insects dislike. Measure about 2 fl Oz and add it to the jar. Now add about 3.5 fl Oz of dish soap. Fill the rest of the jar with plain water. Close it tightly and shake well so all ingredients combine. Prepare a spray bottle, use a funnel, and pour in the mixture. Your liquid is ready. Spray it around doorways, windowsills, and any places where insects appear. Ants, flies, cockroaches, and mosquitoes will avoid treated areas. It also works as a natural orange-based cleaner. Thanks to its disinfecting properties, you can use it as a household antibacterial spray for countertops, tables, and other frequently touched surfaces. Simply spray and wipe with a microfiber cloth. It's a simple, natural way to keep your home clean while effectively repelling unwanted insects. I always keep this next to my husband's bed. It's a brilliant solution that really works, a simple trick that helps eliminate many problems. You only need 1 tablespoon of whole black pepper. Grind it in a pepper mill. Freshly ground pepper has a much stronger scent than pre-ground pepper. Then transfer the ground pepper into a bowl. Now sprinkle it around windows, doors, and even across the table surface. But the key spot is next to the bed. To make the effect last longer, use aluminum foil. Put the pepper inside, roll it up, and poke a few holes with a toothpick. This way, the aroma will slowly spread without making a mess. Place this little packet next to the bed. It also works great in a clothes closet. Soon, you'll understand why it works. Another effective method is mixing pepper with warm water. Just add some pepper to a container of warm water, let it sit for several hours, strain it, and pour it into a spray bottle. Let me explain the purpose. Black pepper has a strong scent that naturally repels insects. Mosquitoes, wasps, moths, ants, bedbugs, and more. Also, if your neighbor's cat leaves a surprise in the garden, simply spray the spot. The pepper smell will keep it from coming back. Pepper is much more than just a soup seasoning.